I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the menu and prepping ingredients so service starts smooth. Decide 3 focused burgers and price them for margin. Once done, order consistent 80/20 beef and portion into 1/4 pound patties to control cost and cook time. Make a 30-minute mise en place. Toast buns, sliced cheeses, prep sauces. Set 2 griddles and a probe thermometer. This lets you hit steady throughput while maintaining quality and predictable cook windows for peak hours. You now run the cook-to-assembly pipeline to turn tickets into consistent burgers. Sear patties on high heat 90 to 120 seconds per side and target final internal temps, 160 degrees F for beef, then rest briefly. This creates a flavorful crust while staying safe. Once done, transfer to the staging line set in a fixed order. Bottom bun, sauce, lettuce, patty, cheese, tomato, pickles, top bun. Make sure rolls are clear, cook. Assembler, expo, and batch tickets in 5-minute windows to reduce chaos and maintain quality. You complete service by verifying temperature and presentation before sending orders. Inspect each burger quickly for doneness, bun integrity, and clean plating. Use a simple QA check sheet to keep standards consistent. Serve within 2 minutes. If held, use low heat lamp but avoid overhang to prevent sogginess. If customers complain or you see dry patties, troubleshoot immediately. Lower searing heat, shorten cook time, or increase fat content to 85/15 and try a light butter base to restore juiciness. Keep calm and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.